Dan, it's Wales, Croatia, but first Slovakia. That's where the whole group started. That's where it started for you. Fond memories of that first game, I'm sure.
Yeah, I think that game will always stick in my mind. Obviously my debut for Wales, and everything to happen so quickly, get that goal in the first 5 minutes was an unbelievably proud moment for me and my family, and as I said, that will always stick in my mind.
Yeah, it was, what a start to the group, to the game for your Wales career as well. Those 5 minutes, it all came together.
Yeah, I think at the time I obviously didn't think I was going to start that game. Coming in my first camp, I was only playing a friendly game, and for the gaffer to trust me, he said, "You've been playing well at club football and I want you to start today, do exactly what you've done for Swansea." And at the time, obviously it was a like moment to get that goal in the first 5 minutes, obviously put that pressure less on myself, and I just went out on after that and just enjoyed the game.
Yeah, it must be great to be out. I can't imagine it, but being on that pitch when everything's flowing, it must be a great buzz when you know how good your team can play, I suppose.
Yeah, it was unbelievable. That obviously that first game was so big, and to get that win at the start was big for us and the fans, and coming out to the fans, and seeing that national anthem was, as I say, a proud moment, and I'll remember it to the day I finished my career.
What have you made of the campaign since then? Because it's underlined, I guess, how hard this group has been. How have things been? Have you enjoyed it personally?
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. Obviously, we had a great start. I think in summer we had 2 difficult games, and obviously we didn't get the results we wanted to. But I think after then we've obviously got rebuild from then, and got the two wins last camp. I know one of them was a friendly, but it was important going to that to treat it like a qualifier. The group's tight at the moment, and we need to go, prepare right for this week. Slovakia is going to be a tough game away. I know we beat them the first game, but it's going to be tough. I think obviously they've had games since then to build on their performances, and I think they've done really well. So it's about going in there with that winning mentality.
So after those 2 games, two defeats in the summer, there's a bit of doom and gloom, but then you suddenly realise only halfway through, but there's 4 massive games to go now. It's going to be an interesting month for Wales.
Yeah, I think with how the group works now, everything comes around so quickly, as all the games are played in the year now. And I think obviously these 2 games next week probably be the most important in the group. We can't really afford to drop any points, but the 2 games we're going to go in with that winning mentality. As I said, Slovakia's going to be a tough game, but Croatia will be a tough game at the weekend. Obviously, other games we can't affect them, so it's just about us, what we can do.
The first game goes back in March, still with Swansea City. You're coming to this game, Manchester United player, establish yourself international level as well. Things have changed very quickly for you. It must be crazy at times how quickly things have changed.
Yeah, unbelievable. I think I say to a lot of people, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, I said a year ago today that I haven't played for Swansea yet. And as I say to a lot of people, things in football happen so quick, and it's just about how you react to them. But I'd say I'm exactly the same person as I was at Swansea, and I think when I come to Manchester United, that's what people told me, to be yourself, and that's what I'm being.
Is there a lesson there for other players, maybe because you go to Yeovil at one stage and suddenly you're at Old Trafford? There must be some kind of a lesson there for any players, I'm sure. Yeah,
as I say, it's a weird one. I was talking about going on loan to Yeovil last season. Of the gaffer at Swansea, who is at Brighton now, obviously trusted in me to play, and he got that confidence back into me. I think then, if they said a year ago, a year on from now, you'd be playing for Manchester United and be playing for Wales, I'd probably say, no, you're just being silly. But obviously, it's an amazing, proud moment to play for Manchester United and Wales, and that's something I'll keep grasping.
Absolutely, and you're mixing it with some serious players as well. You got Ryan Giggs as a manager, Gareth Bale, and even Aaron Ramsey. Yeah. Hopefully in this group, it's because we haven't had him in the group. Basically, it must be nice to have someone of his stature back. Yeah,
I think what he brings into the squad is amazing, both on and on the pitch. Obviously, we're hopefully to have him, but we've been really good without him, to be honest. But obviously, we do hope to have him in this camp. If not, then that's our loss. But we can't be thinking about that.
A lot of fans are getting excited over the prospect of you and him linking up, so yeah. it could be fun for Wales.
Yeah, I think so. As you said, he'll have his checks this week to see if he's ready. But we'll be preparing right whether he's there or not. So. Yeah.
With the next few games, you know, Slovakia away, going back to that first game, great start. So what sort of challenge are you expecting out in Slovakia on Thursday night?
I think it's gonna be a tough game. I think away from home, anywhere in Europe, is always hard. Different atmosphere, different culture. But that's one that, do you know what I mean, the boys in the squad have all, do you know what I mean, all done before. So, as I said, we've had that experience in the summer with going Croatia and Hungary. So we've just got to be ready for it now, and nothing's going to surprise us.
From the outside as well, it seems like nothing phases you as a young player coming in. Joe Rodon's done the same thing, took to international water like a duck to water in international football. I'm mixing my metaphors. But you know, what is it with the Swansea system? Do they develop your confidence because it feels like the boys just enjoy whatever level they're playing at?
Well, yeah, I think so. Joe's been unbelievable, Swansea, the last 2 years as he's come into the team. You've seen this year they're right near the top, and he's a big reason for it. Obviously, you've got Connor as well, who's come into the system and just done so well. And I think, obviously, the way Swansea play and the way Wales play, obviously, is very similar. So, coming to the squad, as I said, I had my debut last year, and the gaffer trusted me. He's exactly the same with Joe, and Joe showed, do you know what I mean, the fans what he can do last month, and I'm really happy for him.
Yeah, brilliant. So Joe Allen as well, Ben Davies, Ashley Williams. There's a Swansea theme going on. It's all good for Wales.
Yeah, I think that really helps as well, coming away, having, do you know what I mean, played for Swansea, and I think, I mean, whether the boys are from somewhere else, I think we have a great team morale, and that's something in football, do you know what I mean, is people underestimate, and I think having that as a team and working together is so important. I think this week's going to be, do you know what I mean, one of the most important weeks for us in the group, and that team morale is going to really help that.
Brilliant. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Chat.
Thank you.
Thank you.